Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first concrete actions. Open your project, run npm install Firebase, and add Firebase config from the console to your app. Once done, initialize the Firebase app instance in your code with the provided API key and project ID so services can authenticate. Make sure to enable authentication in the Firebase console and choose providers you need: email/password, Google, etc. So the rest of the integration has a clear target. Now implement the core authentication logic and understand why each piece matters. Import getAuth and provider-specific functions, then wire signup and login handlers to call create user with email and password or sign in with email and password. This ensures credentials talk directly to Firebase Auth. Once complete, use on auth state change to update app state and persist sessions across reloads so the user experience is seamless. Also, handle errors explicitly. Display friendly messages and finish by securing the app and validating flows so you know why things work. Protect routes by checking the auth state before rendering protected UI, and implement email verification and password reset flows to complete the user lifecycle. Make sure token refresh and sign out are handled correctly to avoid stale sessions. If something breaks, verify keys, authorize domains, and that the chosen provider is enabled in the Firebase console. That single mismatch is the most common root cause and is quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.